Good morning. My name is Lê Ngọc Ánh Minh. I'm the chairman of Vietnam ASEAN Hydrogen Club. Today, I'm very happy to send this message of congratulations to the anniversary of 30 years of AEC. As you may know, that AEC is one of our strategic and very good partner of Vietnam ASEAN Hydrogen Club. And personally, Mr. Dennis Wu, he a very close friend of mine, and he and myself, we are the same age of Tiger. We born in 1974, and I'm very happy to say congratulations, and I really wish AEC to have broader business in Vietnam, in Southeast Asia and other part of the world, and I'm very happy to meet you again very soon. Thank you.